Ever heard of the CIA? No, not the spy agency. In information security, these three letters mean everything. And they're the reason your passwords, bank accounts, and even memes are safe online. Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoSec with Najy, your beginner-friendly guide to the world of information security. Today we're diving into the CIA Triad, the three pillars that hold up all of information security. And no, there are no dark suits or sunglasses involved. The CIA Triad is the foundation of all things infosec. It stands for confidentiality, integrity, availability. Think of it like the three legs of a stool. Remove one, and the whole system falls apart. Let's break them down in simple terms. Confidentiality means keeping information secret from people who shouldn't see it. Imagine your phone gets stolen, and it's not locked. Now someone can read your messages, browse your photos, even check your bank app. Yikes! Or imagine your personal diary. Would you want your nosy cousin reading it? Nope. That's confidentiality, making sure private data stays private. How we protect it. Encryption turns data into secret code, access control, only authorized users get in, two-factor authentication, like a double lock. Example, if a hacker gets your Gmail password via phishing, boom, confidentiality is breached. Integrity ensures that your data hasn't been changed or messed with, accidentally or intentionally. Think of a digital signature, like a wax seal on a scroll. If it's broken, something's fishy. How we maintain integrity. Hashing, digital fingerprint of data, checksums, used to verify file accuracy. Digital signatures, seal of authenticity. Example, someone changes the amount on a bank transfer from $100 to $10,000. That's a direct attack on data integrity. Availability means your data and systems are up and running when you need them. What's the point of storing your files if they vanish when you're on a deadline? How we ensure availability. Regular backups, redundant servers, DDoS protection. Example, if a website goes down because of a DDoS attack, that's a failure in availability. Let's sum it up, superhero style. Confidentiality equals keep it secret. Integrity equals keep it accurate. Availability equals keep it accessible. Together, they form the CIA Triad, the backbone of everything in information security. If this helped you understand the basics, smash that like button and hit subscribe. More beginner-friendly information security content is on the way. Stay secure, stay sharp. This is InfoSec with Najy. Sign